We spent the morning kind of cleaning up a little bit and just being lazy. Typical kind of lazy, slow Sunday. But now we are going to hit up Walmart because we're on the hunt for cookie dough because we're going to do some Christmas baking for our Advent activity today. So we're going to go to Walmart, pick out some things, and also pick up a couple of grocery items that we need. And we're going to bring you along with us. So let's go. Lord have mercy, yes. What was I thinking coming to Walmart on a Sunday, the month of Christmas? I don't even want to go in there. I'm regretting majorly this decision. Look at the parking lot, you guys. It's packed.
I see pretty purple Jeep.
I like that purple Jeep.
I like that purple Jeep too.
Let's get it.
We are going to be in this store for freaking ever. Let's go, guys. Get this over with. So I didn't film very much in Walmart because the place was crazy packed, but I did a little montage of us looking at cookie dough basically. We originally were going to get stuff to make some cookie dough from scratch, but then nobody could decide on what kind of cookies they wanted. Everybody wanted something different, so this was the compromise. We just bought this ready to bake stuff in lots of different flavors. We also got a few grocery things, so I picked up some white bread because my husband was just about out of bread. He's been taking his lunches. He was on call this weekend, so we took a lot of sandwiches to go. So we needed a little bit more bread to get us through till Tuesday when I do my shopping. I bought a gallon of milk. A couple of things of Diet Coke. One of them is caffeine free, just because that's what I grabbed. It's all the same to me. I also grabbed a Diet Pepsi to drink in the car. Got some bologna because he's just about out of lunch meat as well. And then we got the cookies. So my husband's favorite is oatmeal raisin, so we picked up oatmeal raisin. Austin picked out sugar cookies. Robbie picked out peanut butter chocolate chip, and peanut butter cookies are actually my favorite, so I was all good with that. And then we got some white chip macadamia nut cookies. So we're going to bake some cookies, get the oven fired up, and these are going to be so good. May have gone a little bit overboard on how many cookies we bought, but it is what it is. And these were only like $2.04, so not terrible. Alright, so we're going to get started on some cookie baking. So what kind do we want to make first, you guys?
I say we go with some sugar and some white macadamia nut.
I was thinking...
Let me guess, you were thinking peanut butter and oatmeal raisin, right?
No,
because these two never agree on anything.
How about this? Sugar and peanut butter.
I was thinking one of these two and then one of these two. Because
this
these two
one
are...
and this one.
Okay, because these two
I will work on mine, you work on yours.
Oh, you picked out sugar cookies? I thought Austin picked out sugar cookies.
Sugar's my favorite.
What did you pick out?
I picked out these ones.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay.
But I want to do the peanut butter ones because they're my favorite.
Oh, peanut butter's everybody's favorite. I guess we should have got double peanut butter.
Yeah. 350, 325, 325.
350. I bet.
350. So let's do these two.
This one's already open, so do this one and this one.
Okay, fine.
Put these ones in the fridge till we're ready.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this out.
We'll do this one second. Okay, so everybody comment down below what your favorite type of cookie is.
And what's your favorite kind, Robbie?
Sugar.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter are my favorite.
Plain peanut butter, but we couldn't find that, so we had to get the peanut butter with chocolate chips.
Yeah.
open up the oven off. I have 2 pans of cookies, so I'm not.
So do I. Can you get the
Yep, I got it. Be careful, guys.
top
Okay,
rack and
mine take longer, so I'll put mine up top where it's hotter.
Okay, you do yours first.
Hot air rises, so if you do that the smart way, they should come out the same.
And then I'll put mine in the middle.
Yep. The more heat will cook mine faster, and the less heat will cook yours around the normal amount. So they should come out around the same time.
Let me get closer here.
Be careful, don't touch the door. It's hot, babe.
The door is very hot.
Yeah.
Now just shut it, and now with the power of my brain,
All
it
right,
should come out the
first
same
batch
time.
of cookies are out of the oven. We're letting the cookie racks cool before we start up the other ones. This one's got a hole in it, so I think it's a good one to taste test. Kids are playing Uno.
Yeah, and we're gonna bake the rest of them after.
Who's winning?
I don't know. I think he is at this moment, but just a second ago
I have
was.
6 cards. He has like.
Yeah, I would say that's true.
It keeps going back and forth.
Yeah, it does. Okay, I'm gonna skip you, and then I'm going to grab just a good old 9.
Let's see. What
Okay, so I'm sitting down.
See
I'm watching the Emily Awards, which I don't watch YouTubers, beauty YouTubers ever really anymore, but I always watch the Emily Awards, even though I don't even really wear makeup anymore. I don't know, it's just something about this series where she talks about her favorite products throughout the year that just does it for me. I love Emily Noel 83. She's amazing. So I'm going to watch this, even though I don't wear makeup, and I probably won't be buying any of these products. But I'm still going to watch her series all week. Let me know if you guys watch the Emily Awards. Alright, dinner tonight is mac and cheese with sausage and peas. Eric just walked in the door, so he gets to join us. Wanna say hi?
Hello.
So we're going to have a nice little family dinner.
Robbie's favorite dinner from when he was little. Sausage and peas, please.
That's all he ever wanted when he was, like, toddler aged. He loved it. All the way up through until, like, I want to say middle school. Now, what's your favorite meal, Robbie?
I don't know. Probably steak.
He likes anything you'll give him.
What's your favorite meal?
That's hard. I like food.
Okay, well, pick a meal that you like.
I like prime rib.
Prime rib. Well, good, because we're going to be having that pretty quick.
Yeah.
How about you? You got a favorite meal?
Really? Prime rib. Come on.
All right, well,
You need to ask that question.
What about you?
I like seafood dishes, so I like shrimp and crab legs and
Shrimp's
stuff.
good, but I'm not a big fan of seafood.
I like prime rib too, so we've been looking forward to that. All right, I'm going to go eat this. They put way too much food on my plate, but I'm going to eat as much of it as I can. And we'll check in with you guys in a bit. So I was feeling incredibly anxious, and so I sat down and I worked in this planner for a while. This is my happy planner that I purchased. It's the one that had this cover on it, the hashtag big plans, and I just flipped the cover around so that I could have this cover because I think this is so pretty. It says live creatively, and it's the same thing on the back. So basically these planner covers are reversible, I guess. So I did that, and I took out all of the previous months because it was getting a little bulky, and I just kind of sat down. I filled in all my bills. I've been doing a lot of planning, but most of it has just been in ink like this, just writing in everything in ink. But whenever I feel anxious, I always get the urge to put in stickers. So I did this, and it was just so therapeutic to sit down and put in stickers and plan out my first couple of days of the week. And I'm so glad that I did this because it totally helped with my anxiety. In terms of functionality, just writing things down in ink in my planner works perfectly for me. The stickers is all about, like, therapy. It's total therapy for me. Helps me with my anxiety. It helps me de-stress. And so when I was feeling super overwhelmed, I sat down and I did this. And not only do I have a super cute beginning of the week, I have everything planned out for my Monday. Everything's good, but I also feel 100% better. So I'm super happy that I did that.